been waiting for days, years for this day. You fool, huh? That's my job. Oh, you trash! Oh, my knees trash! Feel the love in the butt. Aha, nobody can resist my farts. There. The darkness? What happened to you? Trust me, don't ask. Anyways, I like it when you do the Bowser. I don't like it, so. How do you like it? Did I ever? Okay. Super Mario Bros. The movie 1 through 8. Enjoy. Oh, Mario, what do you think we should do? We'll just watch the news. Hey guys, wanna see our new friend? His name is, well, we don't know what his name is, just call him Monkey. Okay, his name is Monkey. He can be a new member. Okay. Hey, why are you guys watching the news? Blah 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 news. Hello, I am cool Jamaican guy. Yeah, Jamaican, bro. And today we heard that the darkness is going to destroy the Mushroom Kingdom and London for some reason. And they're destroying London right now. Their name is Wario and Darkness. That's what they're going to do with the Mushroom Kingdom in probably a few hours. The people that are in the Mushroom Kingdom. Oh my God! I'm gonna die! Oh my God! How did you step out of it? Oh my Lord! It's gonna be okay. We can beat them. Okay. Just sit there. Have a rest. Okay. 2 hours. Bowser, shut up! No! I'm hurt. Who hurt you? Well, hi, how did he beat you? By a fart. By a big, giant fart. I never thought I'll say this, but I feel like I'm resistant. Sure. And by the way, why do you have SpongeBob on your team? He looks powerful. He has like a... He doesn't get hurt. Even if you put soda on him. What? We need to scrub that with a sponge. There we go. Anyway. Who's he? Oh, this guy? Oh, I'm Monkey. Oh, okay. So, oh my God! That's the news report! Oh. What the heck happened to you? What the heck happened? You watched the news, didn't you? Oh yeah, got freaked out. Yeah, pretty much. The Mushroom Kingdom. So I'm joining your guys' team. Okay, cool, Jamaica guy. Anyways, what? 3 seconds later. And then you have to put the spaghetti in the macaroni, and then you'll get a bigger macaroni pizza with spaghetti. Now you know what they mean. Anyways, yeah, stop those cheese. Come on, follow me. I got guns. I got an AK-47. Shotgun. Machine gun. Oh, this is so cool. I got some same gun as Luigi has. Me too. I already have my own gun. Okay. Now let's stop those cheese. To be continued. Oh wait. Later. Man, how long is this? 6 to 4 more hours. Come on. Jeez. Okay, now to be continued.